Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report a player on Raid Shadow Legends. So all you need to do first, just go and download Raid Shadow Legends, of course, on your phone. So of course, if you don't have it on your phone, you can just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then all you need to do, just go and open your game and log in into your account. So of course, if you don't have an account or if it's your first time opening the game or starting playing the game, you just downloaded the game, all you need to do, just go and click at start a new game from there. And of course, you would like to follow the tutorial steps. So after finishing the tutorial, all you need to do, make sure to connect your account to a Plarium account or Facebook account so you don't get your data lost. And of course, if you want to play the game and a PC, all you need to do, just go and check one of our tutorials in this channel. It will just guide you on how to do that, and we have like several other tutorials in there, so just go check them out. So let me just go here and open my Raid game, as you should, of course, or as you already did if you want to follow the tutorial steps. So you may panic if you see like my game opens so quickly. I already have it open, so don't panic or anything. So as we said, if you want to report actually a player on Raid Shadow Legends, you have three options. So the first option is to go to your Gmail or like email or anything. Just go to your email and send them an email. So their email is actually raid raid dot support at plarium.com. So of course I can even like write it down for you. So let me just go here to the chat, and of course here is it. As you can see, that's their email. So of course, if you want to report a player, make sure to go here and send them an email with the player that you want to report. Of course, tell them why you want to report it. And of course, you have the second option, which is just go to their Discord server. So of course, just go to the Plarium website and choose the Shadow Raid Legend game from there, and they will provide you with a Discord server. You can enter it and talk to a mode if you want to report someone. Or you can just choose the use the forum. And how you can do that, actually, you simply just going to click here at the top left corner at your icon, and from there you would like to go to info and click at the forum right here, which will take you again at their website. Sorry. And you can report someone from there as well. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.